All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you a way that you can eke out a little bit better performance if you think that Steam is the thing that is bogging down your games or your activities on your computer, so that you can adjust things so that you can still play your games with Steam, but try to get as much performance as possible out of your system, especially if it's getting a little bit older. So open up Steam and go to Steam icon in the upper left hand corner and then click on settings. And then inside of settings under library, go to low bandwidth mode here at the top and turn that on. That's going to reduce the amount of stuff that auto loads in the background, like community content. Then you're going to want to go up to interface and you have the option of running Steam when your computer starts. If you want to kind of reduce the number of things that load every time you restart your computer to speed things up, you can toggle this off right here. And then after that, we're going to go down to in-game, and the number one thing that will affect your performance in-game, especially in games that seem to be having some kind of crashing problem, could be the fact that you still have your Steam overlay in-game turned on. You can toggle that off here, and that should help improve your frame rate and your latency in a lot of different games, especially if they seem to be having some weird hiccups lately. So that'll be it. Those are the three main settings that you can adjust inside of Steam to try to help improve your performance and reduce latency when playing your games or doing other things on your PC while Steam is running in the background. That'll be it for this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.